So this is an automation scenario that can output you crypto signals. This one specifically is for Solana signals. For example, here is the output. So this one specifically is giving me Solana pools and price change in 24 hours. And also it's giving address, so it's easier to find if you're interested, and time creation of this pool. You can choose and change what exactly it is outputting you. For example, if you need spikes in charts or whatever else. So to run this type of scenarios, what you're gonna need is URL. I'm using here a free URL from GeckoTerminal. You can, for example, also use CoinMarketCap. I'm just in this video using this free URL that I got from GeckoTerminal. And as you can see, this one outputs me Solana pools with this Gecko API. So the next module that I have is I'm taking information from this HTTP module, and it's gonna look something like this if separately, but obviously HTTP information looks like this. So the next module is parse JSON. What it does, it takes all this big text and outputs me specifically only specific pools and its attributes. For example, as you can see here, token price, creation time, address, and so on and so on. Here is also price change. So now what I have is a big amount. Here I have 20, but in URL you can change it. For example, if I'm gonna put it 50, then it's gonna output me 50 answers. And here in this another module, I just put the same data from this HTTP module, and then I run it to iterator, so it outputs me one by one all those bundles. So every bundle can go through the filter, and here in filter I have some filtering about time. So it is outputting me only newer than 12 hours pools. I don't want to see older. And as you can see, it is filtering it by pool creation time. And also it is outputting me pools with a bigger volume. This scenario is only for example, but obviously you can change all the attributes that you need. Later I have this set variables tools, which takes this JSON file that we just got and put it back together only with the necessary information. Because next module that I have is data storage, and data storage is specifically needed for the memory. So whenever this scenario is running, it is not gonna repeat itself. So first data storage module is adding this Solana pool to this memory. And the second data storage module is filtering. Was this Solana pool already sent? This is for filtering to not repeat the same pools. And then I have set variable module again. And in here I only filter what I want to output me in the Telegram. So it's easier for me just have some text and then information from this set variable tools. And as you can see here I have attribute name, attribute price change in percentage, address, and creation time. And then it sends me to Telegram. So this is a quick explanation of this type of scenario. If you're interested to have one, then you can build something similar on your own. Or if it is too complicated, then write me an email and I can build one for you. But for now, have a beautiful day.